health niche is booming online. People are constantly searching for information on how to improve their well-being, from fitness tips to nutritional advice. Creating viral videos can significantly expand your reach. Connect with millions seeking guidance on their health journey. Video content is the key. People crave easily digestible information. Short, engaging videos are perfect for delivering health tips. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts offer an unprecedented opportunity. Tap into this potential and watch your influence grow. Viral videos build a community. When your content resonates, viewers become followers. This organic growth is powerful. Imagine building a loyal following invested in your health insights. That's the power of viral content. Share workout routines, debunk health myths, or offer nutritional guidance. The health niche offers endless possibilities for content creation. Start creating videos that educate, inspire, and entertain. Make a real difference in people's lives. Creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming, but AI automation is changing the game. Imagine streamlining your workflow with intelligent tools. AI handles repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on creativity. Produce more videos, increasing your chances of going viral. AI can generate scripts, add subtitles, and create voiceovers. Simplify the video production process, making it accessible to everyone. Consider the time savings. Automated editing reduces post-production hours. AI enhances human creativity, empowering you to deliver valuable content. The TikTok Creativity Program rewards creators for high-quality, engaging content. Leverage AI tools to enhance your videos and increase earnings. This program is a game changer for content creators. AI optimizes your videos for the TikTok algorithm. This data-driven approach maximizes your chances of going viral. The TikTok Creativity Program rewards creativity and originality. Section 4. The soundtrack of success. Music and narration. Background music sets the tone and mood of your videos. Choose music that complements your message and resonates with your target audience. Upbeat music can energize viewers, while calming melodies can create a sense of relaxation. The right music can significantly enhance the viewing experience. Narration adds a personal touch to your videos. A clear, concise voiceover can guide viewers through your content, providing valuable insights, information. Whether you use your own voice or an AI-generated voiceover, ensure the narration is engaging and informative. Connect with your audience on a deeper level through compelling narration. Consider using royalty-free music to avoid copyright issues. Numerous online platforms offer a vast library of royalty-free music tracks to choose from. Select music that aligns with your brand and enhances your video's message. Protect your content and ensure its longevity by using licensed music. AI-powered voiceover tools can create realistic and engaging narrations. These tools can even translate your script into different languages, expanding your reach to a global audience. Break down language barriers and connect with viewers worldwide through AI-powered narration. Section 5. Learning from the best. Viral health video. Examples. Analyze successful health niche videos to understand what resonates with viewers. Pay attention to the video format, editing style, and overall message. Identify common themes and trends to inspire your own content creation. Learn from the best and apply those insights to your own videos. Look for videos that have gone viral in your specific area of expertise. Study their approach to content creation and identify what makes their videos so engaging. Observe their use of visuals, music, and narration. Gain valuable insights from their success. Consider the storytelling aspect of viral videos. Successful videos often tell a compelling story that resonates with viewers on an emotional level. Craft narratives that connect with your audience and leave a lasting impact. Engage your viewers through the power of storytelling. Examine the engagement metrics of successful videos. Look at the number of likes, comments, and shares. Analyze the comments section to understand what viewers are saying about the video. Gather feedback and use it to improve your own content. Section 6. Consistency is key. The algorithm's best friend. Consistency is crucial for building a loyal following on any platform. Regularly posting new content keeps your audience engaged and signals to the algorithm that you're an active creator. The more consistent you are, the more likely your videos are to be discovered by new viewers. Create a content calendar to schedule your video releases. Planning your content in advance ensures you stay on track and maintain a consistent posting schedule. Organize your ideas and streamline your workflow with a content calendar. Experiment with different video formats and topics to keep your content fresh and engaging. Try creating educational videos, inspirational stories, or behind-the-scenes glimpses into your life. Diversify your content and capture the attention of a wider audience. Don't be afraid to try new things and step outside your comfort zone. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand what resonates with your audience. Embrace the learning process and continually refine your approach to content creation. Section 7. Unleash your potential. AI and the future of content creation. AI is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content. Embrace these powerful tools to enhance your video production and reach a wider audience. The future of content creation is here, and AI is leading the way. As AI technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for content creation are endless. Stay updated on the latest advancements and incorporate them into your workflow. Embrace innovation and stay ahead of the curve. The combination of AI automation and human creativity is a powerful force. By leveraging AI tools, you can unlock your full creative potential and produce truly engaging content. Embrace the synergy of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. Believe in your ability to create impactful content that resonates with your audience. With passion, dedication, and the right tools, you can achieve your goals and make a difference in the world. Embrace your potential and let your creativity shine.